Around the House Appliance Repair. Serving the area for over 20 years. Call us today at 770-444-9336. Is your washing machine water too hot or too cold? Do you have a broken spinning mechanism? Not enough water to properly wash your clothes? Does your washer refuse to start? Is your washing machine leaking? Are there strange odors or a malfunctioning display? Or is it shaking and making noise like this? Then call Around the House Appliance Repair at 770-444-9336. Warning: trying to repair your washing machine yourself can make things worse. Cost you up to 300% more to repair and can even cause you serious physical harm. So pick up the phone right now and call 770-444-9336.